Hello dear traders, the US stock market traded quietly last week around New Year's Eve. Nevertheless, we have something to tell you, so watch this video till the end and share your viewpoint in the comments. Let's start the overview discussing the Dow Jones Industrial Average. According to the chart, the index rose to 36,700 points over the last week. That fully matches our previous forecast. Analysts foresee another bullish wave ahead after a brief pause. Historically, Wall Street trades without any roller coaster in January. This is exactly what is going on in the meantime. Let me warn you about a modest downward correction of the index in the short term that will be followed by smooth growth above the level of 38,000 points. The S&P 500 is trading with a similar dynamic. Currently, it's trading at about 4,800 points, almost at the same level as the last week. Experts have the bullish outlook for the index. However, it would be a good idea to play safe because experts define the current market conditions as heavily overheated. So, a trend reversal could happen anytime soon. Meanwhile, we expect the S&P 500 to close the week at 4,950. So the odds are that the index is capable of setting a new historic record. The NASDAQ has lost its footing. It has been making minor losses for the second week in a row. The index edged down to 16,500, though it's a modest drop that is viewed as a week-long correction. The current correction comes as no surprise. Experts believe that the index will extend its growth to as high as 16,650 points. The news from the stock market could provide support to the US dollar index that has not been able to grow to the expected level yet. In this video, we would like to discuss also stocks of particular companies in detail. The shares of biopharmaceutical company Genprex closed the final week of the year with stunning gains. The stock surged by 167.18% to $3,500 in a single week. Besides, IMIX Biopharma shares showed the second strongest result with 62.26% growth and the closing price of $5.78. Creative Medical Technology Holdings stock closed last week 44.80% up at the level of $3.20 apiece. On the other hand, Joel Global shares were the worst performers, having incurred the biggest loss of 59.21% and having closed at $8.79. Shares of Uncloud Link Group Inc. lost 42.34% last week, closed at $3.80. Shares of Applied Pharmaceuticals closed 30.5% down, having fallen to $6.22. We are monitoring the situation in the US stock market to make you fully aware of all developments. Subscribe to our channel and leave your comments. We are working for your benefit. And that's all for today. See you back soon.